Hello, and welcome back to our channel, where we explore the best ways to live a vibrant and healthy life at any age. Today, we're re-diving into something incredibly important for anyone over 65, how to speed up your body's natural recovery process. Whether you're bouncing back from an illness, an injury, or just a strenuous day, what you eat plays a massive role. It's like giving your body the premium fuel it needs to repair and rebuild itself. As we age, our bodies can take a little longer to heal, but the right nutrition can make a world of difference. So, are you ready to unlock your body's amazing healing power? We're about to reveal 3 essential superfoods that are scientifically proven to aid in rapid recovery. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find ingredients. They're simple, delicious, and powerful. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. Let's get right into our first superfood, and it's a classic for a reason: berries. I'm talking about blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. These little guys are more than just a sweet treat. They're packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C and flavonoids. Now, why are antioxidants so crucial for recovery? Think of them as your body's personal cleanup crew. After an injury or illness, your body experiences something called oxidative stress, which is essentially cellular damage. Antioxidants swoop in and neutralize the harmful free radicals causing this stress, which helps reduce inflammation and allows your cells to start the healing process more efficiently. Vitamin C, in particular, is a superstar for recovery. It's essential for producing collagen, which is the main protein that forms your skin, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. When you have a cut or an injury, collagen is what your body uses to literally knit your tissues back together. So, more vitamin C means stronger, faster tissue repair. A single cup of strawberries can provide you with more than your daily requirement of vitamin C. Imagine what a daily handful of mixed berries can do for your body's healing toolkit. They're easy to add to your diet too. Toss them into your morning oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, mix them with yogurt, or just enjoy a bowl of them as a refreshing snack. It's a simple, delicious change that can have a profound impact on how quickly you bounce back. Moving on to our second powerhouse superfood for recovery, fatty fish. And when I say fatty, I mean the good kind of fat. I'm talking about fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout. These fish are swimming with a special type of fat called omega-3 fatty acids. You've probably heard about omega-3 South for heart health or brain function, but they are absolute champions when it comes to recovery. Here's why. Omega-3 South are one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatories you can find. Inflammation is a natural part of the healing process, but when it becomes chronic or excessive, it can actually slow down recovery and cause more pain. Omega-3 South help regulate your body's inflammatory response, keeping it in a healthy balance. This means less swelling, less pain, and a faster path to feeling like yourself again. But that's not all. Fatty fish are also an incredible source of high-quality protein. Protein is the fundamental building block for almost every part of your body, especially your muscles. After an injury or a period of inactivity, muscle loss can happen quickly. Eating enough protein is vital to prevent this and to rebuild any muscle tissue that's been damaged. A serving of salmon, for instance, provides a hefty dose of both protein and omega-3 South, a perfect combination for recovery. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. You can bake it, grill it, or even enjoy smoked salmon. If you're not a fan of fish, you might consider a high-quality fish oil supplement. But always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. Now for our third and final essential superfood, and this one might surprise you. It's leafy greens. Yes, foods like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens. We all know they're good for us, but they are particularly fantastic for recovery, and here's the science behind it. Leafy greens are loaded with a variety of vitamins and minerals, but one of the most important for healing is vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a critical role in blood clotting. When you get a cut or an injury, your body needs to be able to form clots to stop the bleeding. And vitamin K is a key ingredient in that process. Without enough of it, you could bleed more and heal slower. But the benefits don't stop there. These greens are also rich in those antioxidants we talked about earlier, like beta-carotene and vitamin C, which fight inflammation and support collagen production. Plus, they're a great source of minerals like magnesium and potassium, which are important for muscle function and nerve signaling, both of which are crucial for coordinated and effective healing. Think about it. When your body is repairing itself, it's working overtime, and it needs all the micronutrient support it can get. Leafy greens deliver that support in a low-calorie, high-fiber package. They are incredibly versatile. You can saute them with a little garlic and olive oil. Blend them into your morning smoothie. You won't even taste the spinach, I promise. Or use them as a base for a nutrient-packed salad. Making leafy greens a daily staple is one of the easiest and most effective ways to arm your body for a speedy recovery. So let's do a quick recap of our 3 recovery powerhouses. First, we have berries, bursting with antioxidants and vitamin C to fight cellular damage and build new tissue. Second, we have fatty fish, which deliver a 1-2 punch of anti-inflammatory omega-3 south and muscle-building protein. And third, we have leafy greens packed with vitamin K for blood clotting and a whole spectrum of vitamins and minerals to support your body's every healing function. The beauty of these 3 superfoods is how they work together. The vitamin C from the berries helps your body absorb the iron from the leafy greens. The healthy fats from the fish help you absorb the fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamin K from your greens. It's a perfect example of nutritional synergy, where the combined effect is even greater than the sum of its parts. Incorporating these foods into your diet isn't about a restrictive, complicated meal plan. It's about making small, consistent additions. Start by adding a handful of berries to your breakfast. Plan for 2 fish-based dinners this week. Toss a big handful of spinach into your pasta sauce or soup. These simple changes create a powerful foundation for your body to heal faster and more effectively. Remember, your body has an incredible, innate ability to repair itself. Our job is simply to give it the right tools to do its work. Food is not just fuel, it's medicine, and it's the information that tells your cells how to function. By choosing these nutrient-dense superfoods, you're sending a clear message to your body. It's time to heal, rebuild, and thrive. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a final thought. Taking care of your health after 65 is an act of empowerment. It's about taking control of your well-being and ensuring you can continue to enjoy life to the fullest. Nutrition is one of the most powerful tools you have in your arsenal. It's something you can control every single day. The choices you make at the dinner table have a direct and tangible impact on how you feel, how you move, and how you recover. Of course, it's always important to remember that diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Gentle movement, adequate rest, staying hydrated, and managing stress are all equally vital for recovery. And if you're dealing with a serious injury, illness, or have specific dietary concerns, please consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice tailored to your unique needs. Your health journey is personal, and it's okay to ask for help and guidance along the way. Thank you so much for joining us today. Hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to add these amazing superfoods to your plate. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living your healthiest, happiest life. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these superfoods is your favorite? Or do you have another recovery secret you'd like to share? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.